Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I will be sharing with you all this simple smudged kajal makeup tutorial which is extremely easy to do, and I have used all drugstore makeup products. This look is quite versatile, so it will go with your Indian outfits as well as with your western outfits if you want to add that glam effect. And yep, with that being said, let's get started with today's video. Let's go. I have already applied my moisturizer. Now for the primer, I'm using Purple 24K Gold Primer, which is infused with 24K gold particles. It will make your skin look youthful, radiant, and it will add an undying glow. It minimizes enlarged pores and creates a flawless base for makeup application. It's a hydrating primer, so it will provide that deep nourishment and adds an extra boost of hydration to your skin. Now as it's a long-lasting primer, so it will ensure that your makeup lasts for a very long time. Moving on to the foundation, I'm using Purple Caffeine Comrade Long Stay Foundation. It's infused with vitamin E and jojoba oil that will keep your skin nourished. It hides blemishes, softens the appearance of pores, and it's a long-lasting foundation and it has sweat-proof formulation. This foundation gives you a creaseless and non-cakey finish, and it's a cruelty, paraben and sulfate free product. Now the coverage of this foundation is buildable, so if you wish you can keep it sheer, or like if you wish you can make it full coverage as I'm doing in the video. And before applying foundation, I have already done color correction off camera. I'm using a flat foundation brush to blend out my foundation, and the consistency of this product is really amazing, so it blends perfectly with both foundation brush and beauty blender. So you can use a beauty blender if you wish, but make sure that your beauty blender is damp. For the concealer, I'm using L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, and I'm using a very less amount because it's a full coverage concealer, and the foundation that I have used is also full coverage. So I'm using very less amount and blending it out using an angled concealer brush. Now you guys can see the coverage. I have used Now you guys can see the coverage. मैंने बहुत कम प्रोडक्ट यूज़ की है, ये मेरी अंडर आइज इंस्टेंटली ब्राइट हो गई है. एट द सेम टाइम लाइक अंडर आई डार्क सर्कल्स भी हाइड हो गई है. To set my concealer, I'm using Stay Cocky Translucent Powder. It provides even skin tone. It blurs out imperfections. It's very lightweight and has non-cakey formulation. It mattifies the skin and controls shine. So I'll be using a big fluffy powder brush to apply the powder. Next, I'll be using iMagic 13 color eyeshadow palette. It comes with a blush, highlight and a bronzing shade. So I'll be using this dark shade to bronze up my face, and I'm using that same big fluffy powder brush for bronzing because I don't want that sharp contouring or sharp bronzing. So that's why मैं ये big brush use कर रही हूँ. If you wish, you can use the pointed brush. For the blush, I'll be mixing both the shades together and I will apply it. And मैं same big fluffy brush use कर रही हूँ. मैंने recently ये वाली trick जानी है कि जिस brush से तुम bronzing कर रहे हो, अगर same brush से तुम blush भी apply कर रहे हो, then वो color ना mix हो जाती है and blending बहुत ज़्यादा easy हो जाती है. So if you wish, you can follow this trick as well. Next, for the highlighter, I will be using fluffy eyeshadow brush. Highlighter ना थोड़ी सी chalky है, so you have to blend it carefully. Let's start our eye makeup. So I'll be using this light shade to set my eye base. Like मैंने सिर्फ concealer apply की है, तो उसको set करने के लिए I'll be using this shade. Next, I'll be using Purple Eyeliner Wind Beneath My Wings Kajal, which is smudge proof and long lasting, and it doesn't dry out. It offers the creamy blendability of kohl. It's intensely pigmented and provides high coverage, and one stroke application provide करती है. It keeps your eyelids hydrated and creates a smooth base if you want to go for a smoky eye look. Now I'll be using it very thickly because later on I will smudge it. If you wish, you can apply it only on your waterline, but I'm using it on my lash line as well. अपर आईलिड पे भी मैं अप्लाई कर लूँगी, बट मैं उतनी थिकली अप्लाई नहीं कर रही हूँ, और ये इट विल लुक लाइक अ स्मोकी आइज, बट मुझे वो स्मोकी आइज वाले इफेक्ट नहीं चाहिए है. दैट्स वाई मैं अपर आईलिड पे थोड़ी सी थिनली अप्लाई कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज जब मैं इसको स्मच करूँगी तो ये ऑब्वियसली थोड़े से एक्सपैंड तो होगी ही. सो दैट्स वाई. To smudge my kajal, I'm using a dark brown shade. If you wish, you can use a black shade, but I like to avoid black shades because एक तो messy हो जाती है sometimes, and secondly, if you don't know the proper technique to smudge your kajal, then it can look really bad. So apply a brown shade or like a dark shade instead of a black. आफ्टर दैट मैं एक पॉइंटेड ब्रश पे ये वाले ऑरेंज शेड को लेके लोअर लैश लाइन पे अप्लाई कर लूँगी ताकि वो एक ग्रेडियंट इफेक्ट आए. सेम टेक्निक पे मैं मेरी आईलिड के ऊपर मैंने जो काजल अप्लाई की थी वो भी स्मच कर लूँगी. पहले आपको काजल अप्लाई करनी है, देन उसको एक डार्क शेड से स्मच करनी है, एंड देन यू हैव टू अप्लाई अ लाइट शेड फॉर दैट ग्रेडियंट इफेक्ट. आफ्टर आई एम डन विथ माई स्मजिंग, देन आई विल टेक अ फ्लफी आई शेडो ब्रश एंड आई विल यूज दैट सेम लाइट शेड जो कि मैंने पहले यूज किया था टू सेट माई आईलिड, एंड उसको मैं मेरी क्रीज लाइन पे हल्का सा अप्लाई कर लूंगी. डोंट फॉरगेट टू हाईलाइट योर इनर आई कॉर्नर्स, इससे आईज ब्राइट दिखती है. To intensify your eye look, you can use the eyeliner. I can suggest you one. You can use the NY Basic Eyeliner Liquid Eyeliner, which is a matte black eyeliner. It's super pigmented. It's smudge proof. It provides single stroke application, and it's also water resistant. मैंने फॉल्स आईलैशेस अप्लाई नहीं की है, बट ऑफ कैमरा मैंने मस्कारा अप्लाई कर ली थी. नाउ फॉर द लिपस्टिक आई एम यूजिंग शुगर स्मज मी नॉट लिक्विड lipstick in the shade Gota Terracotta, which is by far my favorite orange shade, burnt orange shade to be precise, and this shade will go with every skin tone. And with that we completed today's video. I really hope you guys find this one helpful. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and see you guys soon. Bye and take care.